Hi, in this video I'll be simplifying a few expressions. So, expression number 1, x to the power of 3 multiplied by x to the power of 4. I know that a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n equals a to the power of m plus n. Therefore, x to the power of 3 multiplied by x to the power of 4 equals x to the power of 7. You can also think of this expression as x times x times x multiplied by x times x times x times x. So as you can see here, if we multiply all these x's, we get x to the power of 7. Okay, so how can we simplify expression number 2? 8 multiplied by p to the power of minus 4 divided by 4 multiplied by p to the power of 3. Well, we know that p to the power of minus 4 equals 1 over p to the power of 4. So, this expression can be simplified into 8 over p to the power of 4 divided by 4 times p to the power of 3 over 1. And this will give us 8 over p to the power of 4 multiplied by 1 over 4 times p to the power of 3. And this will give us 8 over 4 multiplied by 1 over p to the power of 7, as p to the power of 4 multiplied by p to the power of 3 is p to the power of 7. And we know that 8 over 4 here is 2. So we get 2 over p to the power of 7. Okay, so how do we simplify expression number 3? Well, you should know that a multiplied by b to the power of n equals a to the power of n multiplied by b to the power of n. Knowing this, we can transform this part of the equation into, in brackets, 4 to the power of 3 multiplied by y to the power of 3 to the power of 3. So we'll do this and we'll divide this expression here by 2y to the power of 3. If we do that, we get equals 64 multiplied by y to the power of 9 divided by 2 multiplied by y to the power of 3. Now, we get y to the power of 9 here as a to the power of m to the power of n equals a to the power of m multiplied by n. So, a to the power of m in brackets to the power of n equals a to the power of m times n. So from here we can simplify this expression further. So we get 64 multiplied by y to the power of 9 over 1 multiplied by 1 over 2 multiplied by y to the power of 3. And this will give us 64 over 2 multiplied by y to the power of 9 over y to the power of 3. Now, a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n equals a to the power of m minus n. So this expression turns into 32 multiplied by y to the power of 6. Now, for the last expression, 3 multiplied by a to the power of 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by a to the power of 5 multiplied by a to the power of 3 is the same as saying a to the power of 4 multiplied by a to the power of 5 multiplied by a to the power of 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. And we already know that a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n equals a to the power of m plus n. So let's add all of these powers for a. So 4 plus 5 is 9, plus 3 is 12. So we get a to the power of 12 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, which equals 6 multiplied by a to the power of 12.